while while Viasat and IRDM are bleeding 1.64%. Take a look at the chart, 1.64% and 3.57%. SpaceX is bleeding negative 20% retracement, Camiranda. So what does that tell us? What does that tell us? It tells me this, Camiranda. It tells me this, right? That unang-una for me, that the SpaceX IPO, ang perspective ng market, oy, ililift niya lahat ng stocks. Hindi po nangyari yan. In fact, only VSAT and IRDM are the ones who gained. The rest fell. Yung mga kalaban pa niya. Ibig sabihin, the rising industry for me doesn't mean that every stocks in that industry will win. Pangalawa, yung 28.5 trillion total marketable asset, no, or TAM, Camiranda, na tinatawag natin, hindi laging nagiging material na katotohanan ito. At the end of the day, the total addressable market is unrealistic. I think the market is waiting for execution, right? SpaceX fell below its IPO price as investors questioned execution and valuation, right? If you take my free fundamental heavyweights, sinuturo po natin ng different ways to do valuations, pwedeng EBITDA multiples, price earning ratio multiples, etc. But in this particular case, since wala nga silang earnings, tingin ko talagang nilagyan lang talaga nilang palabok in a sense na talagang doon talaga sila tumingin sa future, eh. 'Di ba? Sa mga existing affiliated companies na successful na. And with the name of Elon Musk, with the backing, etc., talagang na-hype ito ng malala. Another comment is investors focused on high growth space companies, no? So IRDM 170% year to date, VSAT 102% year to date. Sila yung nag-lead ng sector eventually kasi sila yung may strong fundamentals and valuable spectrum assets. But here's my take on this. Dapat palagay ko hindi rin magbigay ng maging complacent itong Viasat and IRDM because yes, $119 ang presyo ngayon ng SpaceX. Are you honestly telling me that this company will just let go of its current performance? Lalo na ngayon, sila ay publicly traded. The more that there's gonna be more pressure for them. No, alam ko to because I was blessed to become part of a company from private to public in the tune of Telos Communications or Telos